Workers at the Johnson Space Center prepare for the next shuttle flight in February. Others working on a future space station. Technicians and engineers there say they found a way to provide that space station with breathing air, a power supply, and fuel to power the station's rocket engines. Reporter Stephen Gauvain tells us the basis for all these important things is ordinary water.
T-minus 10 seconds. Mark. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have a firing.
The fuel or propellant that was used to make this small rocket engine run was taken from water.
Machines like this are usually used to make breathing air in submarines, but NASA is using this machine to separate the hydrogen and oxygen components of water. Those two gases are sent through some overhead pipes and down into two large tanks, hydrogen in one tank and oxygen in the other tank. Further down the system, the two gases are mixed again and the engine is fired.
24 small rocket engines will be needed on Space Station Freedom to keep it in its desired 220-mile high orbit. The rockets will have to be fired perhaps as often as every month to keep the station from literally falling back to Earth. The engineers and technicians working on the water-based fuel say this will save NASA having to carry rocket fuel to the station on the shuttle.
Well, it's principally probably a time saver and a weight saver. They won't have to take any propellants to the space station. They'll just use water, and they can use wastewater if it meets certain purity criteria.
Water can also be used on the space station for drinking, making breathing air, and as a source of power. The space station will be able to make electricity from water. Giant solar panels on the Freedom will also be used to convert solar energy into power. It's not a new idea to convert water into rocket fuel, but this could be the first time the idea will be put to regular use. And for those who will be going on to Mars in the next century, scientists believe there may be a source of water on one of the red planet's moons, water that could also be used for rocket fuel there. At the Johnson Space Center, Stephen Gauvain, 13 Eyewitness News.